Yes, my name is Mike Peck. I'm the Director of Business Development for General Dynamics Land Systems. We're here at AUSA to show off our technical demonstrator, the Griffin III. This is kind of a unique platform. The Army is looking for a replacement for the Bradley at some point in time in the future. So we, along with some of our partners, have developed this platform over the last year and invested our investment money to showcase this capability. The unique thing about this is a 50 millimeter cannon. There's not one in the Army Infantry currently, and we are excited to work with RDEC, the S&T community, to put together the turret, the gun, and all the sensor package on this particular capability on Griffin III. It's unique. The Army currently only has 30 millimeter on a Striker and 25 millimeter on a Bradley. The 50 millimeter is 10x times the capability of those guns. So we're really excited about it. This is a tech demonstrator, so it shows some capability, and what it really is a way for us to have a discussion with the Army leadership, say, is this really what you want? Did we hit the nail on the head? Did we make some mistakes? What would you change? What do you like? And then the next iteration of this demonstrator will be closer to what the real requirement is.